Hello everybody, Travis Wiley here, coming at you today from Little Rock, Arkansas. I'm actually redoing a hike that I did a few months ago around the Little Rock River Market. I wanted to come back and I'm going to walk down by some of the road construction that they're doing on Interstate 30 here, and I'm going to get an update, see what it looks like. It's a beautiful afternoon, it's Sunday afternoon, it's going to be close to 60 today. Glad you're coming along with me. Freeway, pouring the concrete. I'm sure I'd probably get in trouble if I get caught up here, but I guess I can beg forgiveness. I'm not messing with anything. This is as far as I'm going to come right here. You can see where they stopped pouring concrete. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Wow, look at that. You have the USS Razorback. It's an old World War II submarine that was donated to the state, towed up the river and docked here at the river market. I've actually been on it. You can take tours of it. I guess you still can, and it's pretty neat if you've never been in a submarine before. It's a small submarine, and I know I just can't even imagine serving in something like that, having to work and live and being underwater. It would be frightening. Appreciate the men and women who can do it. Man, I'm really surprised at how quiet it is out here today. I mean, I just have not seen very many people on the trail at all. Probably out at Pinnacle where I need to be today. And again, I've been wanting to come back down here to the river market. I just enjoy coming down here and taking a walk and shooting some video and taking some pictures. So it seems like there's always something neat to capture down here at the river market. Well, I'm over here exploring another area of the construction. This is a little bit further down from where I was just a while ago, and you can see they haven't got the concrete poured yet. They're working this way, and quite a job. I've always been impressed by these big jobs like this. Let's see what's inside there. It's just always been amazing to me how they can construct and create all this. Ooh, I just see another. See right there? Right there. Should I climb it? Well, I guess I won't be climbing it. Looks like I got it locked up. That would have been kind of scary anyway. I probably wouldn't have locked it up there. So check out this giant beam. Big girder, I guess, is gonna go on the freeway. That sucker is tall. Yeah, it's very tall, if you can tell or not, but it's as tall as I am. All right. Well, I guess that finishes up my hike. I'm back at the car, made my loop around. Nice little hike. I can't remember exactly how many miles that is, but it's about 3 miles, I believe. So it's not very far. It's not a very far hike. Got some stairs, a little bit of up and down, but it was nice. It was a fun hike. Like I say, I just enjoy really coming out here to the river market. To me, the Little Rock River Market's one of the nicest things about Little Rock, and it's just a really neat place to come visit and enjoy. More people are getting out as the afternoon goes on. Anyway, I think I'm going to head back to my car and I'm going to head home and get myself some lunch, go watch some football this afternoon, and get ready for another week at the office starting tomorrow. Hope everybody has a great day. I'll see you in the next video.